Well, in the wake of two deadly shootings in Minnesota, California is prepared to investigate federal agents for possible crimes. Attorney General Rob Bonta said yesterday charges could be filed if California laws are broken.
And the Attorney General is here to talk to us about this announcement this morning. Thank you for being here.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Why does your office feel compelled to make this statement and put this out there?
Because the federal administration is unfortunately misrepresenting what the authority is of state and local prosecutors and law enforcement agencies. They're saying that there's absolute immunity. They're saying that it's futile and illegal for local law enforcement to investigate and prosecute crime on their soil, even if conducted by perpetrated by a federal agent. And that's wrong. That's not true. That's not what the law says. And as the chief law officer for the state of California, it was important for me to provide clarity in the midst of this confusion. And we're seeing in real time what's happening in Minnesota, and the federal government is taking this position. They are blocking the local and state prosecutors from accessing the scene, from accessing evidence. They're in court fighting about it right now. And that's improper. So it was a reminder to our local law enforcement and state law enforcement entities that they have every right to investigate and prosecute crime if conducted by federal agents.
Which I'm sure is reassuring to a lot of the community who has seen, as we've all seen, many incidents by ICE agents that people feel are inappropriate and could bring legal ramifications. Have you seen any cases where you feel like the law actually could be applied to these agents and their behavior?
Well, let me first say that it should be common sense that a federal agent who murders somebody, who commits a crime, should be held accountable. It's a remarkable position that the federal administration has taken to say that there's no accountability, that they can do this with impunity, and they're not even going to investigate, and the locals in the state can't. I'm very aware of obviously what happened with Renee Good, in Minnesota.
Yeah, with Alex Preddy as well.
Alex Preddy as well, of course. And we're monitoring what's happening here in California. We don't comment on pending or potential investigations, but I will say we've opened up a portal as well, oag.ca.gov/report misconduct, where we want Californians to share with us any potential criminal acts that they see by federal agents, and we can then assess it and take action as appropriate.
Okay. Well, I know a couple weeks ago you said you will not be running for governor. You kind of like your job. You want to rerun for your
You do love your job.
I want to keep doing my job.
You've gone after the administration on a number of things. What do you see your role moving forward?
Well, first I'll say I believe in this moment with what's happening in our nation and in our state, my role is here on the front lines, fighting for Californians as we push back against a lawless federal administration, a repeat offender in the White House who has been a repeat loser in court because he's broken the law, and we've sued him and we've won. Also tackling public safety and the affordability crisis. So grateful to have this role. I want to keep doing it. Well, what do I see coming next? Unfortunately, an escalation in the lawlessness from the federal administration. We turned the corner into January, and we saw another attempt by the administration to keep California from receiving the funding that we're owed, that Congress appropriated for child care and for food and for housing. And then we saw everything that's happening in Minnesota in escalation. So they're being more lawless, and I see myself tackling that one.
I'm glad you brought up affordability and homelessness, because I do hear from people saying, well, I wish they would tackle more of the issues happening here in our state. What do you have to say to those Californians?
Everything that we're doing with respect to the federal administration, those are California issues. The federal administration is trying to keep billions of dollars of funding for Californians, for the things that put food on their table, roofs over their head, health care for their families when they're sick, emergency relief, disaster relief. Those are California issues for Californians. It is a fallacy to say we're suing the federal administration. Don't do that because it doesn't affect California. It very much affects California.
And speaking of, you sued dozens of times now. Do you feel you're 50?
He's got a number.
Do you feel
more than one a week?
Do you feel you're making progress?
Absolutely. We're winning 80% of the time. We've protected $188 billion with a B dollars for Californians. When Trump tried to pull it away, we've protected constitutional rights like the right to vote, birthright citizenship. Those are priceless, and we have kept a federal administration in check when it tries to flout the law, trample over the Constitution, and we're going to keep doing that. I got a full tank of gas, tons of energy. If the people send me back to do this role, I'm going to keep doing it to the best of my ability.
We're glad your gas tank brought you here this morning.
Yes, thank you for being here.
My pleasure for having me.
We appreciate it.
All right.